Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Triceratops in the Isle. Triceratops is a heavily armored herbivore built for defense and dominance. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Each dinosaur has its own unique way of surviving. Open your dinosaur status by pressing Tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see your dietary requirements. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, move towards safe feeding areas and avoid unnecessary risks while growing. You can also use your scent ability by holding Q to locate migration zones. These zones provide increased plant resources for herbivores. As a Triceratops, always face your opponent during combat. Triceratops relies on durability and frontal combat strength rather than mobility. Your horns deal massive damage, especially in direct engagements. And that's how to play Triceratops in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.